Hi, my name is Noah, and as part of my CS50 final project, I have created a web application called H2O Residences, designed to solve problems that residents face. H2O Residences is an apartment complex. Okay, so I have created an account for Jane Doe and as well as for John Doe. So this is the registration page for creating new accounts. If I go ahead and log into John's account, I would see this index page as well as the household page, which is shared among household members. It includes the users as well as the household admin. If I go over to John's account, and I will be able to see the Wi-Fi page. So if I wish to update the Wi-Fi password to like 1234, it will generate a new QR code that users can scan. This is particularly useful for guests and other family members who wish to connect to the QR code seamlessly, connect to the Wi-Fi seamlessly. Yeah. And this also updates for Jane. So if we go to Jane's account, we can see that the lot number is currently set to 1. But if we change it, if we change it for John, let's say John parked at lot 23, and we update it, we go over to Jane's account and refresh the page, it will automatically update where the car was parked at. So this is particularly useful for people who forget where they parked their car, or if they have a large car park. So after all is done, you can go ahead and log out of your account, or you can stay connected inside. Because I also use cookies, similar to finance. Thank you.